Good morning to all. Welcome to our Max class. Are you all happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good, children. So, are you ready with your Max notebook?
Yes.
So, what all portions we studied in the previous class?
We studied regrouping with two-digit numbers.
Yes, very good. We studied the subtraction with regrouping, isn't it? Subtraction with regrouping. And have you all understood the topic?
Yes.
Have you all completed the notes?
Yes, we have done 2 questions only.
Okay. So, what is this regrouping? Can anyone explain? What is this regrouping? Samanyaya, can you tell what it is?
I was absent in that class.
No. Previous class you are present.
The morning class of
Okay. Then who can tell the answer? Who can tell the answer? Anybody? Abel? Abel Saju? What is this? Subtraction with regrouping. What did you understand from this topic?
we want to subtract the smaller number.
Huh?
Then we have to carry to the
We
tens.
have to.
Then we have to carry from the tens place
Okay.
to ones place.
Yes. The tens place number will share the number to the ones place, isn't it? So at what time they will share? At what time they will share? If the ones place number, the top number is small number and the down number is bigger number, isn't it? Otherwise, if you cannot count from this second number to the top number, at that time we will regroup it. Yes?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So first I will show you one video. Okay? So you all have to watch the video. Good morning, Aradhya.
Ma'am.
Yes, all of you please open your notebook. Last class we completed how many questions? 4 questions, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sahasra.
Yesterday I joined late in the evening class. I only joined in the 4th question time.
Okay. And I have already sent the notes in the group. You didn't complete?
And that I didn't complete. Questions was there in regrouping.
Yes. Okay. So leave some space for that, Sahasra. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Only I have to till 15 plus 9.
Okay. So today we will do some balance questions. So first of all, you have to write today's date.
Yes, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Date.
The same page you can continue.
Okay.
The same page you can continue. Okay. Vivek, please open your book.
Ma'am, we have completed 4th question.
4 questions. Okay. So write today's date 29/11/2021. And I'm going to write question number 5.
Ma'am, in the group, but 2 questions only sent.
It's okay. Today I will send the balance one. Okay. 3rd question onwards, today I will send.
Okay. How many pages to leave?
Only 1 page. 56 minus 27. That is our 5th question.
Excuse me, we want to take a new page?
No, if you have space in that same page, you can continue there, my dear. The same topic now we are doing now.
Okay.
So please write the question 56 minus 27.
I cannot see writing.
All of you start writing 56 minus 27. And after getting the question, what do you have to do? You have to arrange the numbers according to the place value. So, please arrange the numbers in the correct place value order. Tens and ones. Then which number we have to write first? Which number we have to write first? We were going to the 56. Okay, 56
And we went to write.
minus, right? Yes, yes, write it.
Mom, I cannot see it.
You can't see the board. I will share it once again. Is it okay now?
1 minute, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, so please write it. 56 minus 27. Okay, then first we have to check.
Mama,
What are things we have to check first? In the ones place, we have to start subtraction, right? Starting from the ones place. So which are the ones place numbers here?
6 and 7.
6 and 7. So can you subtract 6 minus 7? From 6, can you subtract 7? Or can we count from 7 to 6?
No.
Is it possible?
No.
After 7, can you count up to 6?
No.
No, it's not possible. So what to do here? We have to regroup the numbers. We have to regroup the numbers. Okay, so how to regroup the numbers here?
The 5 tens will give 1 tens.
Yes, the 5 tens will give 1 10 to which number?
6.
6. So 5 tens will become which number? 5 minus 1.
4.
4. So top you have to write 4.
Right.
Wait a minute, my dear. It will come. Okay, so from 5, 1 10 is going. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then what happened to 6?
It will
6 will
come
become
16.
16. 6 will become 16. How it is 16? That 10 plus 6. Okay, 10 plus 6, we are getting 16. Now we can count from 7 to 16. How can we count from 7 to 16? After 7, all of you take your fingers and count after 7, 8, 9,
9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers we used?
9.
9 fingers. Yes, we used 9 fingers. So in the ones place, it will be 9. 9. Then next we have to do the tens place subtraction. The now new number is 4. 4 minus 2. What is the answer? 4 minus 2?
2.
2. Yes. So the answer is 29. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Is there any confusion?
No.
No. Now it's clear to you, right?
Yes.
Yes. So shall I give you the next question? Question number 6.
Yes.
So write 6th question. 90 minus 25. Please write the next question. 90 minus 25. $90 minus 25. Ryan, please on the camera. I cannot see. 90 minus 25. Okay. So first we need to arrange the numbers according to the place value. So for that we need to write tens and ones. Write tens and ones. Write tens and ones. Tens in one box, ones in the next box. Okay, then arrange the numbers. 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25. Okay, so what is the next step? We need to check, can we count from the ones place, isn't it? The ones place numbers are 0 and 5. So can you count from 5 to 0? Is it possible?
0.
To 0, is it possible?
5.
5 to 0. See, 5 to 0, can you count?
No.
No, isn't it? If the top number is 5, then it is easy for us. 5 minus 0, we will get 5. But here, the top number is 0. So we cannot subtract. From 0, can we subtract 5? No, it's not possible. So what to do here? We need to regroup it. We need to regroup the numbers. So how to regroup here?
From orange.
Yes. Which number is going to share? Dakshalakshmi?
No.
Here, which number is going to share?
9.
9. Yes, 9 tens are going to share. How many?
110.
110. Okay. So, what will be the number 9 minus 1? What is the new number there?
10.
8. Yes, 9 minus 1 is 8. And what happened to this ones place number 0? 0 will become? 0 will become? 10. 10 plus 0, isn't it? What is 10 plus 0? 10 itself.
10.
So, the new number instead of 0, it is 10. Now we can subtract 10 minus 5. Okay, all of you count using fingers. 5 after? 5 after? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers we used?
5.
5 fingers. So in the ones place, it will come 5. Then what about the tens place? 8 minus 2. 6.
After 2,
Hmm?
3,
After 2,
4,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. We used 6 fingers. So here the answer is 65.
Six.
Yes.
I finished.
Finish. Okay. And I'll give you the next question.
Then I don't have space.
Take the next page. Question number 7.
Ma'am,
Yes.
0 minus 5, we cannot subtract.
No, my dear. From 0, how can you subtract 5? From 0 chocolates, can you eat 5 chocolates? Can you take 5 chocolates from 0 chocolates? It's not possible, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, that's why we regroup here. But if the 5 is on the top and second number is 0, at that time we no need to regroup, isn't it? If the ones place number, first number is 5 and the second number is 0, at that time no need to regroup. 5 minus 0, we will get 5. But here it is 0 minus 5. 0 is coming first. So at that time we cannot subtract. 0 is a small number, right? Smaller than 5. So we cannot subtract that. Okay. Next question. 64 minus 38. All of you write 64 minus 38. Afreen, are you writing? Yes. Where is Shivanedya? Shivanedya, write fast.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you say the number again? The board. I cannot see in the board.
64 minus 38.
That is the G1.
Question number 7.
The new
Question number 7. 64 minus 38. So all of you do it first. First, we need to arrange the numbers. Tens and ones. Yes. Write 64 first. Minus 38. Then after getting the answer, that time itself, don't regroup. First, you need to check whether can you subtract. Yes or no? Yes. So check the ones place numbers. 4 and 8. 4 minus 8. Here 4 is a small number, 8 is a bigger number. Isn't it? So can you count from 8 to 4?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The answer is 26.
You already got the answer.
Yes.
Okay, let us see whether it is correct or not. Okay, Ryan, please check it. So here we need to regroup it because we cannot subtract 4 minus 8. 4 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. So we cannot subtract here. So what we need to do here? Regrouping. So regroup, how to regroup here? How to regroup here? Which number is going to share? Anton?
5.
Which number is going to share? 6 is going to share. Okay. So 6 tens will become 5 tens. Isn't it? 6 tens will become 5 tens. And what about 4?
14.
4 will become 14.
14.
Okay. Then we can count from 8 to 14. How many fingers we need to count?
9, 10,
Hmm?
11, 12, 13, 14.
Hmm. 6 fingers. Okay, very good. 6 fingers. Then the tens place numbers.
After 3,
Hmm?
4, 5,
Hmm?
5.
5. Yes. How many fingers?
2.
2 fingers. So the answer is 26. Okay. Then the next question. Question number 8.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first thing first one.
Hmm?
What is the first one?
First one. Who is that? Who is asking?
Aradhya.
Aradhya. Aradhya, I'll share the same note in the group. So now you write this one, 7 and 8. 93 minus 49. Please do it.
Ma'am, the next question.
Next question, 93 minus 49. 93 minus 49. You can see the board.
Can you share the board?
Yes. Please do it fast, everyone. Now it's clear to you. Everyone know how to do it.
Ma'am, the last question, 7th question answer is 27.
26. 26. 26.
Ma'am.
Ah, yes. So arrange the numbers. 93 minus 49.
Can you show the 6th one? I don't write it.
6th question I will tell, my dear. 6th question is 90 minus 25. 90 minus 25 is the 6th question.
90.
Yes, 90. 90 minus 25. So please do it fast, everyone. So what we need to do first? we need to check whether can we subtract in the ones place numbers. Ones place numbers are 3 and 9. So can you subtract 3 minus 9? From 3, can you subtract 9? No, it's not possible because 3 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So we cannot count from 9 to 3, isn't it? We cannot count from 9 to 3. So we need to regroup here. So all of you please regroup the numbers. Regrouping. How to regroup? Anthony, how to regroup here? The number 9 will become
8. 9 will become 8.
9 will become 8.
9 will give 1
Huh?
2.
Yes, 9 will give 1 10 to 3. So 10 plus 3. What is the answer? 10 plus 3?
13.
13. Okay, so here 3 will become 13.
Then 9 will become 8.
Yes, 9 will become 8. Okay, so please count after this. After regrouping, we need to count from 9 to 13. And after?
11, 12, 13. 4.
Yes, 4. Yes.
After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4.
Yes. 4. So the answer is 44. Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, I finish. Ma'am, I don't finish.
Yes. Then let me check your knowledge. I'll give one question. Okay. The next question is question number 9. 57 minus 24. Yes, Afrin?
Try.
Right. Please write the next question. 57 minus 24. So let's see how to get the answer, this one.
I cannot see the board clear. So can you tell the number again?
57 minus 24. 57 minus 24. We need to arrange the numbers. Then please check in the ones place. The ones place numbers, please check everyone.
7 and 4.
7 and 4, yes. So can we subtract 7 minus 4? So from 4, can you subtract? From 4, can you count till 7?
Yes.
Can you count after 4 to 7?
Yes.
Yes, it's possible, isn't it? We can count it. After 4, 5,
5,
6,
7.
Yes, we need 3 fingers. So here there is no regrouping, isn't it? Here we no need to regroup. Yes, no need to regroup here. Why? We can count from 4 to 7.
And the answer is 33.
Yes, and in the 10th place you can see 5 minus 2 is 22. Sorry, 5 minus 2 is 3.
3. 4.
Yes, you need to write it.
Ma'am, 3. 33.
Yes. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. So understood at what time we will regroup it? Yes, everyone?
Ma'am.
Now it's clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I will give some more questions. Please copy down the questions and after the class you can do it. Ready?
Ma'am, I don't finish.
It's
Yes,
okay, it's okay. Please copy the questions first. 10th question. 76 minus 28. 10th question is 76 minus 28. Please copy the question, and in between let me ask, Anne Catherine is present or not? Anna Princeton? Anne Mia Regal? Ashil K. Saji?
Ma'am, 11th question.
Wait. Smriti? Okay. Then I'll give 11th question. These questions you have to do after the class. Okay. And I will send the notes at that time. You please check your answer is correct or not.
Then 11th question.
Wait. Let me take it. 54 minus 17. 11th question. 54 minus 17. 12th question. 85 minus 29.
What is this 11th question?
54 minus 17. 12th one, 85 minus 29. And one more, 13th question. 70 minus 28. Okay, so these 4 questions, after the class, you have to do it. Okay? And when I'm sending the notes, you have to check your answer is correct or not.
Ma'am, what is the 12th one?
12th one, 85 minus 29. 85 minus 29. 13th one, 70 minus 28. Okay, finish everyone. Have you completed?
No, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please write it.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes, I have completed. Only 4 questions.
And the 13th one.
Okay. 13th one, 70 minus 28.
What?
Okay. 70 minus 28.
Please.
70 minus 28. Okay. So now it's the time to wind up the session. 12th one, my dear, 85 minus 29. Okay. So I will send through WhatsApp also. So don't worry. Now itself I'll send the balance 4 questions I will send through WhatsApp. Okay, so it's the time to wind up the session. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.